What do you want these therapists that are attending your workshop to go away with?
I think first of all, I'd like for them to, I hope that they will have a good introduction to the body-mind. And when I say the body-mind, I just mean the unconscious mind. And a good introduction to how accessing the body by acknowledging body sensations, how body sensations can be tracked to reveal unconscious material, and how powerful that is. And I've been doing this way for a long time. I've been working this way for about 20 years, so so this will likely just be an introduction. And I'll provide them with some simple techniques they can start using on themselves, because and can start using on their clients. But I think it's really the way I like to do things is let therapists learn how to work with their own bodies and emotional material as it's in the body. You need to be comfortable doing it with yourself before you can ask your clients to do it. So I think that will be a lot of it. And you can see, my workshops are very casual and exploratory, and I'll introduce the concepts, and we'll do some practice. I'll show them how releasing works. And I think ultimately what I want for people, and I don't just mean our clients, I mean for therapists, I mean for people, for everybody, is for all of us not to rely quite so much on the thinking brain for accurate information. The thinking brain is not our friend, typically, when it comes to our assessment of who we are. Who we are is so much more than this meat suit that we call the body, and our personalities and our opinions and our identities as mothers, wives, daughters, therapists, people with diabetes or somebody with depression. We're so much more than that. And in our tendency, in the thinking brain's tendency to want to put things in compartments for ease, we miss the bigger truth of who we are. And I think ultimately, whether I'm working with therapists or clients, ultimately want to help us all remember and experience a little more clearly the truth of who we are.